let's say you were scalping the rest of the day. Every time it went above or below this critical level, or of course VWAP, you guys could play it, right? So don't forget that that's an all day situation. That is not like a one and done because it's giving you a point of reference, which means you could have bought here. Of course, this would be to the opposite side, right? There's a put. Here's your call. And then you would have rode the rest of the day. See how it came down? It touched, it came down, it touched, and then it was gone the rest of the day. Do you see it? So if
Yeah.
you guys are scalping these, don't forget this isn't like a one and done at the bell. This is, you can use this for quite a bit as a reference. Yep. So don't ever forget about that though. It's not just a bell situation. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla looks like it did almost exact same thing. It did.
Yeah.
Tesla is almost a complete mirror image here. Tesla at 211 is what you guys had marked. Yep, I can see you were using all this. Good marks, by the way. I like that. So same drill again right here on Tesla, right? So if you're looking at Tesla on the scalp, you're waiting for the break. There's your break. It did touch down below, did touch down below. You'd have to be very careful in here. Came back up to VWAP, and of course, we don't like the super trend. This is where we shed some, and as soon as it broke VWAP and held, we get out.